Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today, coming to you with another simple but effective video. Today video, I'll be making just a simple carrot juice, and I will be putting in a nice piece of ginger inside it, and for sweetening, I'll be using lemon and honey, and I'll be adding about 3 cups to 3.5 cups of water. Remember, the less water you add, the richer the juice is going to be. So as always, FadaGugs like to just talk a little bit about the benefits of all these ingredients. Carrot. The carrot is a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidant. It is also known to lower cholesterol level and improve eye health. Now, the lemon. Lemon are high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. In fact, lemon may support heart health, weight control, and digestive health. Now, the ginger. For the purpose of the ginger, ginger has been used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, help to fight the common cold and flu, and ginger has been used in traditional medicine for many years. So now, let's just go ahead and peel the carrots, get them prepared, put in the blender. So I'm just using a peeler. Yeah, it's very fast, I would say. You just need to just scrape it like that. And then just get your knife. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish preparing these. Scrape up the ginger, cut up the carrot, wash them, and then I'll get back to you. So now I've already scraped my carrot and I've washed them, and I've washed my ginger as well. So now what we're going to do, we're going to just cut them up and put them in the blender. So let's bring the blender a bit forward. What you want to do is you just want to cut them just some small size, some small pieces, so it's more easier for the blender. You don't want to give the blender too much work. Yep. Whoa, so like that. And you just throw them in a blender. Just like that. I'll just have a piece. Look tempting and nice. At the same time, the just cut up the ginger. Nice. Just into some small pieces. There we have it. Just drop that in our blender. Set this to the side. So now we're going to add our water. About 3 to 3.5 cups of water. Because you want a nice and rich juice. You don't want to water down too much. Now I'm going to put the top. Bring the blender a bit forward. Now let's just start the process of blending. Yes people, so it's all done now, so just take it off the blender. I need to get the container, and I'm using the straining bag today. So just put the bag over the container like that. Just take out the blade. And just pour it out. Yeah, just pour out the mixture. All I need to do is just lift the bag and just watch the goodness just run out. As I say, nice carrot juice, simple and easy. Just squeeze it until all the juice . But this is fine for me. So now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be sweetening it now. So you need to get your strainer now. Then we're going to cut the lemon. Put 1 lemon first. Then we're going to test it just to make sure it's not too lemony. Lemon is very strong. I'll put the next lemon inside it. So that's 2 lemons. Let's just have a next taste. Yeah, that is fine now. fine. So now let's just add the honey. You could add about 2 tablespoons of honey, or as I normally said, sweeten it to your taste. Maybe 2 tablespoons is too much for you, maybe it's too less for you. Or you could just drink it, just the carrot and the lemon by itself. It's all up to you. Let's have a taste now. Yeah. I don't think that needs nothing more. That's it. So I'm just going to get it in a glass and try and present it up. Yes people, so this is the final product. Carrot juice. Let me just put it in a glass. Yeah, so you can have a look. There you have it. So that's carrot juice, ginger and lemon. I'm gonna just put a cup of carrot beside it just for presentation wise. Yep. Stick a piece of lemon on the side. Just like that. Then there you have it. So there you have it people. Nice, refreshing carrot juice sweetened with lemon and a bit of honey. If you like the video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already do so, and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs has posted a new video. And again, please share with your friends and your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.